Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So I thought I'd give you a little bit of context as to how we actually made that. So everything that you're watching has been filmed on the GoPro Hero 9, and a massive shout out to Adorama that got me the camera early. So it's Saturday night at 5 AM here in Times Square. It's pretty empty. We shot this morning and we're shooting tomorrow. So 2 days of shooting, 1 day of editing to turn this around for the GoPro Hero 9 launch on Wednesday the 16th. Now, what I'm loving about this camera is I'm shooting everything in 5K 30. So even this vlogging element right now is using the front-facing camera 5K 30. So you can really see the quality. And look at this in low light. I wanted to show the performance of what kind of content you could get in that low light situation. HyperSmooth 3, which is another core feature within the product. Now, obviously being the third iteration, the technology here is insane when you think about stability. So obviously we've been using POV shots, running around on a pole, getting FPV, so getting that footage stable and crisp is critical. Now, we were using no gimbals, there's no post stabilization, so I actually use a product called Real Steady that allows you to stabilize footage. That doesn't exist for the GoPro Hero 9. There is no product update right now. Obviously no one has this product. So it's pretty cool that you're seeing everything out of camera in terms of stability. And now that is really impressive when you think about an action cam and the possibilities of what you can do with it. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Awesome, lads. Thank you. We found another Spidey.
It's the final shot of the
That's
night.
amazing.
It's a mini Spidey here in Times Square.
Yeah, can I please get 2 chicken breasts? Nice.